Yo, what is good, y'all? Today is it is Saturday, December 6th. I just want to go over the trade recap that I ended up taking on Friday. I know it's kind of late review. I was very busy on Friday, so I was unable to make the post during the day. But I just want to go over it today. Simply just talk about it, talk about what was good about it, and all that stuff. So. Let me see if this page is refreshed. Okay, so we're all good. So coming into the morning, what we had, so we had these 4 hour draws on liquidity. We had relative equal highs here, and this high here, and even this high being there as well. So we had this high here, and then obviously I think pretty much, I mean, going into morning, we obviously had coming from delivering from sell side here. Kind of just want to talk about the bigger picture right now. So we're delivering from sell side here, obviously having the sweep, and then we're disrespected this whole 4 hour FEG here, and then inverting that, and now we're showing bullish signs that we want to go higher. So that's kind of why I'm pretty sure we're very bullish because of coming from sell side, disrespecting all the bearish gaps, and now we're delivering higher, targeting these higher draws on liquidity that we have above us. So yeah, so here price ends up delivering from this 4 hour FEG here, delivering higher, and then we simply just having a move back higher from here. And yeah, same thing on the lower time frame. We're coming from sell side here, so we're sweeping here, and then we end up disrespecting all these bearish for rally gaps here. This bearish for rally gap we disrespect and having a move higher. And then same thing situation here. We end up selling back off. I'm pretty sure this is a 1 hour FEG. So this 1 hour FEG here gets respected. Yeah. So this no closure below the 1 hour FEG here. So this holds. So 1 hour FEG holds. And yeah, now we're having a buy move back high. So yeah, obviously you kind of know my bias coming into the morning. What I kind of wanted to see, but I've been coming into the mornings very open minded. Yes, I have conviction that we're gonna be bullish on the day, but um, kind of how I trade in the models, the mech model continuation and a reversal model is kind of how you take what price gives you. Yeah, I want to be bullish. Yeah, that's a way better trade. Maybe if I want to be short or bearish, maybe I lessen my size and then enter on that trade if I have conviction on it. But if I'm very bullish and it lines up with everything, then most likely I'm going to add size or take it with more confidence. And yeah, so when I'm having 6:30 open here, I'm pretty sure I can't see. Yeah, so this is 6:30 open here. And obviously this is EQ of the range, so you can kind of see what we wanted. Obviously, keeping in mind how the 4 hour draws on liquidity that we had above us. So yeah, so at open we end up just ripping higher, and then we end up. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So we just end up ripping higher. We end up having a sell off. We end up respecting two 5 minute FEGs. So there is also another 5 minute FEG here. So this ends up getting respected. No candle closure below it. But yeah, that doesn't really matter because this we come back into the discounted 5 minute FEG. So that was even better than what was even expected for us. So we end up coming back to the discounted 5 minute FEG. We respect it. Obviously, we wick into it. Coming into the discount as well. Discount of the equilibrium. So that's even better. And then we end up having a 3 minute inversion. So yeah, so on the 3 minute close, somewhere around here, I would have entered somewhere here, depending on this little pullback that we had here. Yeah, that was simply going to be the entry. So entry was going to be there, break even at the high, and then targeting the 4 hour highs. Obviously, you could have taken full profit at the high as well, which was also good. I think that would have been like possibly. Let me see. Possibly a 101 if you kind of want to move this up higher. Yeah, so like kind of 101 if you want to take that. But obviously, I had a conviction that this was gonna go higher, that which it did. So obviously, going to the 4 hour highs is what I was targeting. Kind of continuation model, inversion out of it, solid candle closure, and then entering with conviction, entering with obviously the proper entry, waiting for the closure, very important. So the overall outlook, very bullish. We respect the 5 minute FEG. Market rips higher at open, comes back into discount or equilibrium, respects the 5 minute FEG. I need an inversion out of it that confirms my entry point. We enter on the inversion, and then yeah, that's simply and then we just ride the trade up higher. So this was kind of what my entry was gonna be like. Let me show you guys. So let me pull this back. So I would have entered somewhere on this candle here. I don't know what my sizing was. Maybe 5. I don't exactly remember. I have to look at it before the video ends. So yeah, and then we had it at the high. So around 800. Um, yeah. I mean, in this trade, I mean, so yes, I could have taken partials, and yes, this was a perfect break even point. Because if trade wants to keep wants to sweep it and then deliver lower, then yeah, that's a possibility. We could just deliver lower from there. That's a second sweep, and then we're just gonna sell off from there. So that's a perfect break even point. Or even you can take partials there and then go break even, and then let the rest run. But having strong conviction in the trade, knowing when to take partials, knowing when not to, is very important. Understanding your stop loss, understanding your TP, understanding the draws on liquidity, and what you can do in order for not exactly what you can do, what you can analyze for a price to go there and help your conviction and help your mindset. And yeah, so yeah, it was simply the trade for Friday. Very good, very high quality. I do. So I'm trading 2 funded accounts. Um, I'm hoping to get a payout soon. Once we get the payout, gonna use all that payout money into more evals, pass them, and then eventually just scale my capital. That's basically it. Just day by day. That's all we're gonna do. So obviously, I'm gonna have full allocation on Top Step again, and then full allocation on Alpha Futures, and then possibly Tradeify depending on how the uh, accounts go and everything. If I'm able to pass them and all that stuff. So yeah. So right now we're in the funded stage. Obviously, just working on taking high quality setups, being patient, trading simple, taking your setup when it's presented, understanding high quality and not high quality setups. So yeah. So that simply was the trade for Friday. I'm gonna catch y'all next week, Monday. I do suggest everyone to wake up during Monday, so you can practice patience. But most likely gonna be a no trading day because it's low volatility. But the whole week of December, second week of December should be all good. Nothing really holding us back. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Make sure y'all stay patient, stay disciplined. Might catch you.